Take a ride in the 2017 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, rear parking aid, fog lamps. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.